Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Priya, and this is Dr. R. Tamaselvi, Professor and Dean. We are here to present our product, Poultry Connect. It's an innovative platform that transforms the poultry farming by benefiting both the small-scale farmers as well as the large players. So we are developing an app which is mainly concentrating on digital marketing, but we are also adding three different. The first one is smart monitoring module. So it consists of sensors that measures temperature, humidity, sound, and ammonia as well. So we are measuring 4 different parameters, and every parameter will be updated in the app. So it connects all the small-scale farmers as well as large buyers to sell it. So this is our product. Next. So this is the problem statement we are working on. This is the introduction. So we have gone for this. Why it matters is because of its an affordable protein and its economic growth behind it, and also sustainable farming. So the problem statement is the disease outbreaks that lead to 20 to 30% of flock losses, and also the profit the farmers lose is 25% due to middlemen intermediaries, and also the industry loses rupees 2,000 crores annually. So these are the statistics which supports our problem statement. We have taken from WHO, World Bank, and World Poultry. So the unmet needs we are concentrating on here is high disease mortality, scale farmers who lacks advanced technologies to monitor the chicken health, and also the middleman interdependence to attract or to get the contact of the big players or syndicators. So this is our existing solution gap. So we are mainly concentrating on reducing the cost and also make our product regionally fit, so which will increase our wider outreach. This is our solution, which consists of 3 different modules. One is about smart monitoring, and the other is disease prediction and control, and the other is direct marketing linkages. So while coming to this module, we have sensors that measures the vital parameters and always update the results in the cloud, where everyone in the app can see that. For example, if I am having Priya poultry farm and have inserted this smart monitoring module, it will update the status of my farm and the quality of the chicken right there. So the one or syndicator or local buyer who wants to buy from me can check the status of the chicken grown there. So we are also providing AI-based models to provide organic solutions as well as easy solutions for small-scale farmers at the early stage itself. So we have came with some parameters and analysis that gives the what is the early stage value and what is the later stage value, what is the middle stage value. We have 3 different values that actually shows right there. So these are the parameters we have taken, and why we have taken these parameters have been mentioned right here. So the impact of our product will be that optimal conditions and better solution. So the result will be stronger e-commerce linkages, increased consumer confidence, and higher sales. So this solution have many farmer-centric approaches: the multi-language support, offline access, intuitive UI, training and awareness. So we are also going for affordable models like pay as per use 50. We are also having connect with a veterinary expert at Madurai. As per his instructions, he also told us to include add food intake and water intake levels also. But as per that, the cost will be higher. So if we are adding that too, it will be like 150 per month. So this is a proof of concept we developed. You are just in the proof of concept stage. So this is our marketing strategy. And the economic impact, if once Poultry Connect is completed and enters the market, it's driving probability for small-scale farmers. The disease mortality will be reduced by 50% and the productivity will be increased by 15%. So as I mentioned in the introduction stage, that will be around 2,000 crore losses. It will compensate about 50% of it. And this is the cost analysis of our product, which is 4 to 5% of the installation cost. And this is the analysis of competitive advantage. What we are concentrating on is affordable solution, and it's customized for regions because we are concentrating at dry areas as well as humidity high areas. And the one thing we are also concentrating majorly on interfacing, how the small scale farmers can easily access these technologies also. Thank you.
So here you have mentioned like smart monitoring, IoT, right, to collect the data like temperature, humidity, right? So can I know if I'm having a 5 shed, okay, so per shed I'm having 5,000 chicks. So how many sensors are required as a farmer? How they can afford this cost?
The installation cost as shown as 18,000 is for 30 cross 10 shed. So it could cover up to 3,000 chicks over there, and we need 5 rows of this sensor array that is to be placed at entry and exit levels, and also center zone. As we are using ammonia sensor, there will also be at litter zone. So these are the 5 places we are concentrating. For 30 cross 10, we need 5 grids, which cost overall in 18,000.
So you mean to say it's 80,000, right? Overall.
18,000.
Okay. So the subscription will be every month for 50
50
rupees.
per use, yeah.
So it's based on per device, or the entire subscription will be 50 if they have many devices, whether the entire subscription will be 50 rupees per month or per device you are charging?
No, ma'am, it's entirely because for every the ammonia sensor will be only on the litter zone. So we can't charge like separate devices, separate amount. It's for a month, all 5 grids has to be there. It's connected to a single cloud.
Okay, so here again I'm having a question, like how you are handling the data retention things. For example, okay, can I know how far the data you are collecting, like frequently, in how many intervals you are, collecting the data?
Actually, I've started now itself. We have started, and it's a proof of concept level. So for the last 1 month, we went for every 1 week. We went first week, and second week, third week, fourth week. That's all we completed, and the proof of concept has been done.
Okay, so what I'm seeing is here, for example, per month 50 rupees, it's, I think, to maintain the data. So we need to monitor every, at least every 10 minutes or 30 minutes, right, to get the real-time data, right? So to maintain those huge data points, we require a lot of things. For example, server maintenance and data retention things. Everything is there. So per month 50 rupees. For the entire thing is, I'm quite like how, that's what I am asking. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.